let's cut to the chase. The ingredients that you have to look out for if you're trying to remove your blackheads would be benzyl peroxide and salicylic acid, witch hazel, glycolic acid, and retinol. But before I get ahead of myself, click on the notification button so that you don't miss out on any beauty tips. But hey, my name is Rika and I'm a beauty and lifestyle journalist here at Beauty Insider. You know, a lot of people I know who wants to remove their blackhead instantly would always go for the Biore Pore Pack Black. I love how it delivers instant results because literally you will see it come out from your nose. I'm like literally obsessed with it. And the sensations you get after all that blackheads are being removed, it's so refreshing. There's also the Holika Pick Clear 3-step blackhead remover. You know, not only is it affordable, it minimizes the size of your pores. And it's not as harsh as you think it is because it removes the blackheads without any irritation. Another holy grail I love would be the CosRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. It contains 4% solution of natural form of BHAs, which clears out your pores and makes your skin more softer and smoother. And you can say goodbye to your dead skin cells because the exfoliation is top-notch, and it regulates excess sebum and retains moisture levels. Another item that is great for blackheads would be the Lustre Fresh Toner. One of the ingredients that they incorporated in the toner, let me tell you, it's witch hazel, beta-glucan, salicylic acid, and fruit essence. And it's great, it doesn't have alcohol or fragrances in the toner itself, and it smooths out any rough textures. Now this one's a little bit interesting because it's a stick. Yeah, it's a stick. This is the Rire All Kill Blackhead Remover Stick, and it contains black bean extract, black sesame extracts, and charcoal powder to gently remove your blackhead, to gently buff off dead skin cells and clear up pores. It's easy to apply and perfect for people with sensitive skin. If you want to watch more from us at Beauty Insider, remember to subscribe with us down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!